Good morning, children. Welcome back to maths class. So today we'll continue the same chapter, that is ways to multiply and divide. In this chapter we have completed half of the questions and today we'll move to the next part. So I have given you a homework, that was this page number from your maths workbook, page number 86, question number 11. This was your homework and question number 12 was your homework. So I hope you all have done this. This is very simple multiplication and division. As you can see, it is the first question, 642 multiplied by 25. Simply you have to multiply and write the answer here. What will come? 16051. What will come in the first one? 16051. 16,051. Okay. Hope you all have done. Second one is the number of weeks in 56 days. In 56 days, you have to find the number of week. If I'll say in 7 days, how many weeks are there? So you will say in 7 days, 1 week is there. Yes or no? So if I'll say in 14 days, how many weeks are there? In 14 days, how many weeks are there? So in 1 week, how many days are there? 7. So we'll divide this by 7. We'll get 7 2s are 14. How many weeks are there? 2 days. Similarly, in 56 days, for finding for 56 days, what you will do? You will divide 56 by 7. You will divide 56 by 7. And then you will get the answer 7 8s are 56. So 7 8 times is 56. So how many weeks are there in 56 days? 8 weeks are there in 56 days. So you can fill it like this. So similarly, next one, it is 15 multiplied by how much is 135. So 15 multiplied by how much is 135? 15 9 times is 135. Similarly, you have to multiply, and similar in this one you have to say by how much you will multiply 3475. So that you will get this, you will get multiply by 1000. Similarly 9 is, and so on. Hope you all have done this. If you haven't done this or if you have any query, you can ask me. Okay, now this you can check this. I'll send this PDF of this page. You can check your answers from there. Question number 12 also, if you have not done this, first do this and then check your answer through the PDF. Now here you have to say 144 dash 120 is 324. Means you can see 444 was there. Now what you will do, that you will get the answer 324. You can't add, because if you will add, then 444 plus 120 will be how much? 564. But answer is 324. Means plus sign will not come. Then which sign will come? If we will multiply, we'll get the bigger number. If we will divide, we'll not get this number. So what we will do? We will subtract. So 444 subtracted 120. What will get? 4 2 3 324. So what sign will come? Minus sign will come here. Similarly, 550 dash 100 equals to 55. So what will come? Divide. 550 divided by 10 is equals to 55. Similarly, you have to insert sign in all the questions. Is it clear? Now let's move forward. This is from your the NCERT book. You all open your NCERT book, page number 173. Same chapter, ways to multiply and divide. So in this one, some questions are given to you. So numericals are given to you. You have to read them and understand them, then solve them. So let's try to solve them together. First one is, if Soha's heart beat 72 times in 1 minute. Soha's heart beat how many times? 72 times in 1 minute. How many times does it beat in 1 hour? You have to tell, if Soha's heart beat 72 times in 1 minute, so how many times it will beat in 1 hour. So as you all know, in 1 hour, how many minutes are there? In 1 hour equals to how many minutes? 60 minutes. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So you have to find how many times it will beat in 1 hour. So first of all, it is given 1 hour you can easily find, because in 1 minute it is beating 72 times. So in 1 hour it will beat 72 multiplied by 60, that is 4320 times. Now in the A part you have to find how many times it beat in 1 day. In 1 day how many times it beat you have to find. Now as you all know that in 1 day how many hours are there? 24 hours. One day equals to how many hours? 1 day equals to 24 hours. And in 1 hour it is beating how many times? 4320 times. So in 24 hours it will beat 4320 multiplied by 24, and we'll get the answer this. Okay, 103680 times. That is how much? It is 1,03,680 times. Can you imagine? It is 1 lakh times. Our heart beats 1,03,680 times in 1 day. Similarly, you can find your own heartbeat like this only. Okay, I'll show you. Second one is that count your heartbeat to find out how many times your heart beat in 1 week. Similarly, you will do for your heartbeat also. You will count your heartbeat. Okay, in 1 minute. It will be approx 60, 70, okay, 70, 80, sometimes 80 also, because you are kids. So it will be 70 to 80 times. Okay, then you will write it and you will find for 1 day. Then similarly you will multiply by 7 and you will get for the 7 days. Okay, first of all you will find for 1 hour, that is multiplying by 60, and then you will find for how many minutes? That 7 days. Is it okay? Now question number C part is there. A baby blue whale. One more question is there. A baby blue whale drinks around 200 liters of milk in 1 day. Just imagine how much milk that is. Find out in how many days your family will use 200 liters milk. How much milk would the baby blue whale drinks in 8 months? Okay, now first of all we all know that milk consumed by baby elephant per day is 200 liters. Means the baby elephant is drinking 200 liters of milk in 1 day. Now if we will say our family uses 20 liters, so 200 divided, our family uses 2 liters of milk, so divided by 20 will get how many? 10 days. Our family can use that milk for 10 days. Milk consumed by baby elephant whale in 1 month equals to 30 multiplied by 200 will get 6000 liters. So milk consumed by baby whale in 8 months is 6000 multiplied by 8, that is 48,000 liters. Now C part is there. A baby elephant drinks around 1.2 liters of milk every day. How much milk will it drink in 2 years? Means a baby elephant is there and that drinks how much? 12 liters of milk in 1 day. 12 liters. And how much you drink in 1 day? 1 glass. So baby elephant drinks 12 liters of milk in 1 day. And you have to find that how much milk it will drink in 2 years. 2 years. Okay, now you know in 1 year how many days are there. In 1 year 365 days are there. So 1 year equals to how many days? 365 days are there. And you have to find that how much it will drink. So, and you have to find for how many years? 2 years. So you will multiply this by 2. What you will get? You will get 730. So you can say in 2 years 730 days are there. And the baby elephant consume 12 liters in 1 day. So it will consume how many liters of milk in 2 years? 2 years means 730 days. So multiply by 2. 12. So what you will get? 8760. So it will drink 8760 liters of milk in 2 years. Is it okay? This is how you have to do this. Now next one is on the same page 173. Karunya the landlord. So Karunya is a landlord and he is having 3 fields. As you can see in this figure, he is having 3 fields in the shape of a rectangle. So these are rectangular shape fields, and here you can see that this is 28, this is 27. So length and breadth are given. Here also 12 and 36 is given this side, and here also 19 and 27 are given. So length, breadth are given of all the 3 fields. Now what you have to do? First of all, you have to find the area of all the fields. So in the previous chapter, you have started that for finding the area of a rectangle, what is the formula? Length multiplied by the breadth. So in these questions, length and breadth, both the things are given. Length and breadth are given, length and breadth are given, and in this one also breadth is given. So you can easily multiply them and find the area. So you will multiply them and write the area of field A here, write the area of field B here, and write the area of field C in this gap. Is it okay? Now what is given after that? He bought field A at the rate of 95. Means if this is field A and a small portion of this field A, means 1 square meter of field A is purchased at rupees 95. Okay, so you have to tell what is the cost of whole field. What is the cost of whole field? So what you will do, whatever is the area of this field, you will multiply by 95. Means whatever answer you will get here, you will multiply that by 95 and you will get the cost of the field A. Similarly, you will do for cost field B, as field B cost 110. So whatever answer you will get, you will multiply that by 110. Similarly for field C, whatever answer you will get here, you will multiply that by 120. You will get the cost of all the A field, B field and C field. All the 3 fields answer you will get. Now after this, it is there, Tulsi and her husband is a farmer and they work on Karunya farm. Now it is given on page number 174 that you have to do yourself. You have to find out some fill in the blanks are there that you will do yourself. Now come to page number 175. Here you can see the list. This is list published in the newspaper, and the government has fixed some salaries for daily wages. Now here you can see, from here you can see that in Haryana state 1 day salary is 135. Means a farmer or a farm worker will get 135 per day for doing work in the farm. Similarly in Rajasthan it is 73, in Madhya Pradesh it is 97, and in Orissa it is 75 per day. So these are the salaries of farm workers in one day. Now the questions given here, you have to do these questions. First question is, for farm workers, which state has fixed the highest amount? Which state has fixed the lowest amount? So from here you can find the answer that which state has given fixed the highest amount. So it is Haryana has fixed the highest amount. And which has fixed the lowest amount? So from here you can see Rajasthan, that is only giving 73 rupees per day, has fixed the lowest amount. So from for this question the answer will be Haryana and Rajasthan. Haryana has fixed the highest amount and Rajasthan has fixed the lowest amount. Okay. Similarly, next question is there. Bhairav Singh is a worker in Rajasthan. Bhairav Singh is a worker in Rajasthan. If he's worked for 8 weeks on the farm, he works for how many weeks? 8 weeks. How much he will earn? So children, for this question, we should know what is the earning of Bhairav Singh in one day. So in Rajasthan, what is the earning for one day? It is 73 rupees. And Bhairav Singh is working for how many weeks? How many days? 8 weeks. Now, first of all, we will convert 8 weeks into days. Weeks into days, because our in question we are given only 1 day salary, not 1 week salary is given. Only 1 day salary is given. So we have to find the answer in days only. So we will convert week into days. Week into days. Now 8 weeks equals to how many days? So we will multiply 8 multiply by 7. Why 7? Because in 1 week 7 days are there. So 8 multiplied by 7 is how much? 56. So this question we can do two ways. It is 56. Or first of all, what you can do? You can multiply 73. That is the 1 day salary by 7. Okay, that will be 511. And then you will multiply it by 8. Means first of all we will find the salary of 1 week and then multiply that by 8. Okay, then what we will get? 4088. Okay, a next method of doing this is, first of all you will multiply 8 by 56. Sorry, 8 by 7. What you will get? 56. Then directly you will multiply 56 by 73. 56 by 73, you will get the same answer, 4088. Both the methods are correct. You can choose any one of this. Now this one is, Neelam is a worker in Haryana. If she worked for 2.5 months, she is working for how many months? 2.5 months. So you have to find her salary. Now you know in Haryana what is the daily wage? It is how much? 75 per day. This question also you can do in two ways. So first of all we will see that 2.5 months. 2.5 months means how many days? 2 months means how many days? 30 plus 30, 60 days. And half month means 15 days. Half of a month, 15 days. So it is 75. Means she is working for 75 days. How many days? 75 days. And salary of 1 day is how much? 135. Because in Haryana they are getting 135. So 75 multiplied by 135 will get how much? 10,125. Means she is getting 10,125 for how many days? For 75 days. That is 2.5 months. Similarly, D part is there. How much more will the farm worker in Madhya Pradesh get than worker in Orissa after working for 9 weeks? This question you will do yourself. What you will do? You can do this question in two ways also. First I'll tell you and then next you will do yourself. In first way, what you will do? You will find the salary of this farm worker in Madhya Pradesh for 9 weeks. Then you will find the salary of worker in Orissa for 9 weeks and then you will subtract them. Okay, and next method is given here, only shown here. You can perform that method also. Okay, so these all questions you have to do in your maths notebook. This farm worker one, these questions you have to do, these questions you have to do in your maths notebook. Is it okay? So take care. Sai Ram.